Are you nervous about being denied for Amazon merch? I'm going to show you how you can use AI to level up your game. We will first be discussing the application process and what you can expect when you apply. This is important to help you understand the rest of the video, where we will be discussing how to write your business plan to Amazon. The website that you need to go to is merch.amazon.com. Once you're on the homepage, you're going to click on sign up. You'll need your contact info, bank info, and your tax information. This is the next screen where you will select your country. There are some countries though that are not supported by Amazon merch. If a country is not listed in the drop-down menu, you will not be able to apply. There is some speculation that you can use a VPN to block your location. I have personally not tried this, so I don't know if that works. But if you did try it and it worked for you, please leave a comment down below so the community can get this information as well. Next screen is your banking information. This next part is super important. Amazon needs your tax information regardless if you are a US citizen or not. If you're applying for Amazon merch, you may need to fill out certain tax forms depending on your citizenship and your resident status. If you're not a US resident or citizen, you'll need to fill out the W-8 Ben form. If you are a US citizen or a resident, you will have to fill out the W-9 form. Tax laws can be confusing, especially if you're unfamiliar with the requirements in your own country. Amazon will guide you during the application process to the appropriate resources that you'll need. When it comes to selecting the industry type for your Amazon merch account, it's best to select the genre that best fits your business. Some people speculate that selecting novelty t-shirt business will give you the best chance to get approved. However, I did not find that to be true for myself. I selected novelty t-shirt business. I also selected small business and I was denied twice. Now let's talk about the option to include a website for your design. If you have a e-commerce website already with good designs, I would recommend putting that there. I would recommend putting the website that showcases your best work. This will give Amazon a sense of your design style and it'll show them what you're capable of. On the other hand, if you're just starting out and you don't have any designs, I recommend using a free platform like Redbubble, where you can gain some experience and start your first e-commerce store. Redbubble is a popular online marketplace for artists and designers. They have a very similar structure to Amazon, where they take care of all of the customer service, they take care of the payments and the fulfillment of the product, and all you have to do is upload your designs. I will leave a link down below if you want to try out Redbubble for yourselves. After you have submitted your Amazon merch application, it could take about 14 business days for you to find out if you do get approved or not. Hold on. Before you submit your application to Amazon, we have to talk about this form. There's a lot of speculation if Amazon merch applications are actually reviewed by humans or reviewed by AI, and there's no way to really tell. Based on my experience, it is important to have a well-written application just in case it gets reviewed by a human. I applied for Amazon merch twice and I was denied twice. And when I contacted customer service to ask them why, human did end up reviewing my application and I ended up getting approved. So if you do get denied, make sure you watch my video on what to do. I will put a link at the end of this video for you to click on if you do want to watch that as well. And I will put the link in the description below. The additional information box is your chance to tell Amazon a little bit more about yourself, your design background, and the type of designs that you plan on creating. I would recommend treating this like a job application and putting your best foot forward. Let's work smarter, not harder, and let's see what this AI tool is all about. What better way to explain to you what ChatGPT is other than asking ChatGPT itself? In shorter words, ChatGPT is a chat box that uses artificial intelligence to generate responses. It's programmed to mimic human conversation and to generate responses that sound like they were written by a human. And to top it all off, it is free. Let's start by understanding how to create the account so you can start using it. You're going to go to chat.openai.com. To start using it, you will click on new chat and then type your question in the chat box. Let's see what happens when I put in a command to ask ChatGPT to write me an application for Amazon merch. In 15 seconds, this generated me a pretty good response on a outline for the Amazon Merch application. Now let's talk about using social media to drive traffic to your Amazon Merch store. As a Amazon Merch seller, it is important to have a plan in place on how you can drive traffic to your Amazon Merch store. One way to do this is to use social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. The next command that I'm going to ask ChatGPT to do is to write me a paragraph on how I can use social media to drive traffic to my merch store. Again, ChatGPT has generated me a pretty good response. It is a little bit lengthy though, so if you want to ask it to make it shorter, you just put in the command to make it shorter. The next thing that you need to understand is Amazon's policies. Amazon's frequently asked questions explains that they will terminate your account if you have multiple violations of their policies. These are things that are super important to know because if you violate Amazon's policies, your Amazon Merch account will be denied and you won't be able to apply again. So with all of that being said, let's make sure we include a paragraph in our Amazon Merch application that explains that we have read Amazon's policies and we will be adhering to them. The software is super powerful and honestly such a game changer. The fact that ChatGPT combined all of the responses for me saves so much time. The reason that I asked it to do that was because I didn't actually want to do the work myself and I wanted to see if it would do it for me. That's it for this video. I hope you found value in learning how you can use artificial intelligence to help you write your application for Amazon Merch. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and feel free to leave a comment down below if you have any questions or feedback.